In this video, we're going to talk about one of the biggest cryptocurrencies, a major exchange token, which is OQB. OQB belongs to OKX, one of the largest exchanges in the world. But before we get into OQB, let's take a look at how the crypto market is doing this month as I'm recording this video. There are a lot of coins going up. If you look at this week, for example, OQB is up 120%. That's the crypto we're going to talk about today. Look, it's up 19%, KEX is up 20%, MNT is up 25%, ADA 13%, RAID 18%. There are a lot of coins on the rise. When you look at just today, for sure, a lot of people are making profits. Just look at how the market is doing. Everyone, the whole crowd is making money. XRP, which I made a recent video about here on the channel, is up 2.8, ENA is up 4.8. You can see there are a lot of people, Bonk, Flock, a lot of people making money, but let's get into OQB now. Notice that OQB on the day I'm recording this video is worth $103.14, ranked number 45. It has already climbed 8 positions just in these last few days. It has an incredible market capitalization of $2 billion, $2,170 million. And in just the last 24 hours, it's already moved $1,100 million, right? When you look at longer periods here, you can see that over the year, it's up 186%. My friend, the 186% increase is some serious money. In the month, 118%, 120% just this week. And on the day I'm recording this video, 14%. That's almost like the Selic rate just in a single day. It's been appreciating steadily. Let's dig a little deeper, find out who OQB is, and then we'll go to CoinMarketCap to see if it's really worth buying OQB or not. I'm here on the official website of OKX, which is the exchange that owns OQB. Here it tells you to buy crypto with peaks. It's a pretty interesting exchange, and it has some sponsorships here like McLaren, Manchester, and the Tribeca Festival. Without a doubt, it's a major exchange. Here you can see a bit of the interface, how you can trade, do research, how you operate. And here it says that you're one step closer to your dream. A bit of advertising, and it definitely has several options for investors here, from learning about the market, opportunities, trading, spot, everything we already know from the major exchanges, which is really worth it. I'm here on the CoinMarketCap website, and you can see that it's at 103.44. It's already gone up over the entire period. OQB has already risen 6,443%. Everyone keeps their eyes on Bitcoin, but they forget about other very interesting exchanges. So look, the market capitalization is going up by an average of 13%. And when you look at the entire history of OQB here, you can see it's just going up, my friend. Exchange cryptocurrencies are really worth it. Look, Binance has BNB, Crypto.com has CRO, and OKX has OQB, and it's really worth it because these guys, these big exchanges, do everything they can to increase the value of their crypto. So you can see that 70% of the community believes it will go up, 30% believes it will go down. And when you look at all the big exchanges, everyone is showing high confidence in OQB, right? A lot of exchanges here, except for Outbit. Let's check. Let's see if there's anyone else here giving. Here, Crypto.com hasn't shown up here yet. Let me see if I can find Crypto.com here, which is the exchange I use. It's not showing up here, or maybe it already did and I didn't see it. Crypto.com didn't show up here, which means there's no Crypto.com review about OQB. And when you look up what OQB is, it's a cryptocurrency launched by the OK Blockchain Foundation, which is OKX, right? It's an exchange, one of the biggest in the world, ranking 3rd in liquidity and 4th in trading volume. It's a powerhouse, a phenomenon, really great for making money. Look, when you check here the exchanges, the similar coins, you see there are a lot of similar ones, but the only one I think is actually comparable here is BNB. The rest are just fluff. One important thing here is that they're burning tokens, and that's very interesting because when you reduce the total supply from 21 million, your goal is to increase scarcity and security against possible volatility. In other words, they keep acquiring and burning. The main goal is to have fewer tokens on the market, and that's really interesting, right? Let's take a look here at how the price has fluctuated over just in the last year. Notice that the lowest price was $35 just in the past year, and the highest price was $139. In other words, that's a hefty amount of money for someone who knew how to invest. Its lowest price 6 years ago was $1.25, and its highest price was $139. So the person who bought it here at $1.25 is now a multimillionaire, and that's really worth it. Now let me know in the comments if you already knew about OQB, if you have it in your portfolio, and what you think about it. In my opinion, it's really worth it. Just a reminder that everything I say here is not a recommendation to buy or sell. Study OQB, check if it's worth opening an account at OKX, and remember, there's no sponsorship, nothing like that here. The only exchange that sponsors me here that I'm affiliated with is crypto.com, where I trade, and leave a link in the first pinned comment. If you want to open an account, you can earn up to $30, and so can I. Leave your like, leave your comment, a hug, and see you next time.